Manufacturers like us are heavily reliant on the global supply chain. When we order parts from overseas, we may not know where in the world our shipments are for 60 days or even more. In that time, a lot of things can happen. If demand goes up, we want those parts as soon as possible. If we find we have too much inventory on hand, we'll want to divert those shipments to storage. The challenge is knowing which parts are in which container, on which ship, in what part of the world, and when they will arrive. With intelligent transportation powered by Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Power Apps, we can see exactly where our shipment is, when we can expect delivery, and how we can influence delivery dates and locations. Powerful search capabilities allow us to find the parts we need and intercept and reroute containers based on the up-to-date demand forecast in Dynamics 365. To improve visibility and control of your global supply chain, reach out to our experts to learn more about intelligent transportation.